morning, everybody. We're doing soldering iron. Do you want to watch us do it? Yes? Okay, then let's do it. Daddy,
okay, why don't you tell them what you have right there in your hand?
So, this is the little squirter that sucks up solder.
Yep, it's a desoldering iron.
It's a desoldering iron.
Be careful with that, it's hot.
And one, it sucks up the iron. Squeeze it in there like that. Because there's iron in it. And it will be clogged up forever if you don't do that. That would be bad. Really bad. Also, when you squirt it, when you didn't squirt it in the water, it will do something to it. I don't know.
Okay, so where on the board are we working here?
We're on the board here.
Whereabouts are we at? We're on these. See, we marked them right here. This one and this one with two small little dots.
Let me do the solder.
I'll hold the solder while you do it. You can actually solder them on. We put the new piece in there.
I already sucked it.
Did you get it?
I'm getting some more.
I'm trying to get a...
Excellent!
Okay, hold on. Let's get the other one now. Where's the other one? Right here, huh? Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of solder so we can help get some heat down in the old stuff. And very good. Spit that out into the water. Actually, a pretty good job there.
Next, we need
we do
this one.
You got that one?
No, we need to do this one again.
And get a little bit more. There, we want to add a little bit of solder to it to get a little bit better. Okay, take your time. Okay, it's pretty good right there. So now,
Not bad in the water.
yeah, go ahead. So let's see.
So let's clean it off.
Oh no, don't put the whole end in the water.
No, I supposed to put the
Careful.
tip in. Ooh, no. Not gonna do it there. Let me do that.
Just hold on. You cooled it down too much. Oh, no, there we go. I gotta try and get this stuff here a little bit better. It's because the leads are bent over. Get those kind of straight. I'm gonna suck it up.
Can the video see me? Can the video see me? Can you?
No, I can't right now.
Why?
Okay, so
I want it to see
calm
me
down.
too in this.
So let's see. We got. Just hold on, please, Brayden.
Get
Just hold on,
the video
please.
to me,
Just hold
too.
on, please.
Okay.
You're wrecking the video. So we got those loose enough now, I think. Okay, so let's zoom this out. Flip the board over.
But Daddy, can you please put
Hold
up
on.
a little bit more?
You want to talk to it some more?
Yes, but I want you to put it up so it can see me here.
Okay, well let's see if we can pull this resistor out. You want to see if you can wiggle it out with these? Nice
Yes,
and
but
gently down there. It's that
Can
one.
you please hold? Can you please? Bad.
Okay, see if you can pop that resistor out, you spaz.
What is this?
This one right here.
This one.
See if it's loose enough where it wants to pop out. Careful, gently. I know it's kind of buried down in there, isn't it? Ooh, there it goes.
Ooh, almost got it. Oop. Almost cut.
Well, if it doesn't want to come out, we might have to desolder it a little bit more.
Need to desolder that part a little bit more.
Yeah, just gonna flip the board over. Good, and which one is it?
It's right here. I'm pretty sure.
One right there?
Yes, because that's the hole.
Yep, stuck just a little bit, okay. And desolder just a little bit right there. Put it right on.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Oh, here, I'll point at it. Right here, this one right here. So just a little bit, okay, now. Okay, set this down carefully, make sure it's not burning anything.
Hope it can come out now. Yeah.
Got it?
Oh, yay! Oh my gosh, it's hot. It is hot. It's like burning me. It's burning me. Burning me. Oh, that's better.
Okay, Let's see it. Hold it in your hand and see what it looks like. Hold it in your hand like this.
Here's our resistor that we took out. Okay, everybody? Can you see my face?
Yes. Okay, there's our resistor.
So that's our resistor.
Yep, and here's where it came from.
Can I set it in there?
Kind of dark, you can't really see. Oop, there it is.
Can I keep it
R5 too. Sure, you can stick it in there. Okay,
Okay,
so should we get our next one out?
Daddy, can you please take the video of me?
Yep, I'll take a video of you soldering that.
No, take a video of me putting it in the sponge, too. Please. This is our new resistor that we're going to put in. I know those parts are wrong, really long. I don't know why Subtweezers came with this.
It makes it easier to put in than we
It makes it easier to put in, and we cut off the extra parts of it, okay? We're going to pop it in now, okay? In action. Okay.
So,
This is a little bob, you can see. You can see that's a little bob, everybody. Can you? It's a little bob.
Yeah, it's a few. So we're going to...
I'm going to put this in the water.
Bend that. Brayden, please stop that. So we're going to put that in the hole.
Let me just see if it can still solder.
You need to stop putting that in the water.
In action, everybody. So, we're in the video again. So, this is the Lucky Penny Shop. So, for you to know, and can you please turn the video to my dad? Please? Please?
What?
That's my dad, okay? That's my dad. Turn around. So, can you see that resistor in there, everybody?
Those are the legs of the resistor sticking out. We're going to
These are
solder
the
them in.
legs. And we're going to use this for it. Oh, the sponge is hot now.
Be careful. You okay?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
fine.
Let's go ahead and put the tip down there and I'll help you solder it in.
Okay.
Hold it on there. Make sure we get the solder on the resistor lead and the board good. Okay, that's good. Take it off. Okay, let's do the other one. Okay, that's good. And okay, that's good, Brayden.
One part sticking on there.
That's fine. Don't worry about it. Just set it in the metal cage over there, okay?
Because that's the cage for it.
Yep. Okay, you want to nip those ends off there?
Yep. Everybody, so action. So we're in the video again and not the pen stop. So it's going to cut these off, everybody. They're very hard to cut off.
One, and get the other one.
Everyone, can you please be quiet in this video? Thank you. For being quiet.
Okay, that's good. Alright, so there is a resistor we just installed, huh, Brayden?
Yep.
Anything else you want to say?
Everybody, so for the next video, we are going to do some spongy here for that.
And you want to show them how to wipe the tip off real quick?
Yes. And it might make some smoke. Don't worry about it. Make smoke like this. Like, makes a lot of smoke when you put it in. Everybody, now that's the end of the video. Action by 1, 2, 3. Action now. Done.